The only birds now at the corner of Michigan and Trumbull are the lowly pigeons. There's really only one bird in this house's history, and he had a year. The year was 1976. America was 200, and a goofy, gangly 21-year-old made this mound into a throne. 76 belonged to Mark Fidrych, about town at watering holes.
It was heartbreaking. I mean, that was my dad's favorite player.
To Sweetwater, where there's a spritz of bitter in the air.
He was one of a kind. He was different.
He was just a tiger. He was a man.
Rookie sensation.
What do you remember about the bird?
That he talked to the ball.
Oddball.
The bird, the bird.
The bird made the city of Detroit rock.
Well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is a word. Oh, well, the bird is a word.
19-9, a 2.34 ERA. So soon after, it seemed, injuries ended it, crystallizing the bird as an all-star, rookie of the year in his one full year, 1976. 33 years later in the city.
My dad just loved the guy.
He was one of a kind.
Part of the family has passed on because when you grow up watching someone and hear that name, it just gets you right here. So, but we all believe in the Lord, so he's in a better place. But that was a tiger. Go Tigers!
Everybody's heard about the bird. The bird's a winner, the bird's a winner.
He was more than a word. He was a legend. And he was 54. He was a special person, a unique personality, and beloved by Tigers fans. That from the Tigers front office tonight, sending out their condolences to Fidrych's family. In Detroit, Brad Edwards, Fox 2.